Hello children, welcome to class 3 EVS. Do you love to eat your favorite food? Do you enjoy smiling and talking with your friends? Guess what helps you do all these things? Yes, your teeth. Our teeth are small, but they help us a lot. Today we are learning about the importance of teeth. Let's start our fun journey. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, you will know about the importance of teeth, types of teeth, functions of teeth, the habit of cleaning teeth. First, have a look on a mind map. Importance of teeth: chewing, speaking, smiling, clean teeth, strong body. Types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Before going to the topic, let's learn some new keywords. Teeth, incisors, canines, premolars, molars, toothache, dentist, germs. Importance of teeth. Teeth help us in many ways every day. We use our teeth to bite and chew food. This makes it easy to swallow and keeps our body strong. Teeth also help us speak clearly. When we talk, our teeth help make the right sounds. Teeth make our smile look nice. A clean and healthy smile makes us look good and feel happy. Teeth are very important to us. Next, let's learn about the types of teeth. We have different types of teeth, and each one has a special job. First up, we have incisors. These are the teeth. In the front, we have 8 incisors. They are sharp and help us cut the food. Canines. These are pointed teeth next to the incisors. We have 4 canines. They help us tear the food. Premolars. These are flat teeth behind the canines. We have 8 premolars. They help us crush and grind the food. Molars. These are the bigger teeth at the back. We have 12 molars. They help us grind the food into very small pieces. Each type of tooth is important. Together, they help us eat and stay healthy. Functions of teeth. Teeth help us in 3 ways. Chewing. They help us grind the food. Speaking. They help us talk clearly. Smiling. They make our smile look good. So we must keep our teeth clean and healthy. How to keep our teeth clean and healthy? Brush your teeth every morning and night. Use a soft brush and a little toothpaste. Brush all sides. up, down, front and back. Rinse your mouth after eating. Avoid too many sweets and chocolates. Clean teeth help us stay healthy and happy. Children, do you know? Eating hard foods like raw carrot, sugar cane and dry coconut sometimes makes your teeth and gums strong. Drink milk to keep your teeth healthy. If you have tooth pain, visit the dentist. If a dentist is nearby, ask how to clean your teeth properly to avoid such pain. This is for you. With your friends, make a poster about keeping teeth clean. Put the poster in your classroom. Every day check the teeth of 10 friends for 1 week. If someone's teeth are not clean, tell them why cleaning their teeth is important. Work on it, children. It's time for singing and enjoying. Children, let's sing a fun song about our teeth. Stand up, clap your hands and sing along with Toothy. Teeth, teeth, the incisors to bite vegetables and fruits. Sharp and long the canines to take the sugar cane. Just behind them are molars to grind the food into soft. I know you help one and all to chew the food and eat it up. Well done, children. I hope you all understood the lesson about the importance of teeth. Let's revise. Today, we learned why teeth are important. They help us eat, talk and smile. We also learned how to take care of our teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day and eat a healthy diet. Keep your teeth clean and strong. Keep smiling. Bye-bye.